Hello viewers, Instagram map option not showing. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Instagram map option not showing problem. So let's see the step. First of all, make sure your Instagram is updated. So go to Play Store. Now click on search bar and search Instagram. From here, update your Instagram app. After updating your Instagram app, now click on open. Open Instagram. Now click on profile icon. Click on three line icon. Scroll down and find help option. Just click on help option. Now click on report a problem. Again click on report problem. Now click on include and continue. Here explain your issues in details. Here type my Instagram account map option not showing, but I want to get this option, so please help me by solving issues as soon as possible. After typing this, now click on send. After this process, I hope your problem will be solved very soon. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.